How to turn on or off videos sound in the app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off sound in the app on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook, and here click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Now scroll down and click on media, and here scroll down again and you have videos and photos settings. You have the first one, which is reduce 3D photo motion, and the second one, which is sound in the app. You can turn on or off this option. For example, I did turn off this option, or you can choose to turn it on wherever you want. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.